Years of silence in just 5 minutes? You can prevent a lifetime of struggling to hear the people you love. That's how quick a hearing screening is. But when ignored, hearing issues don't just stay in your ears, they echo through every part of your life. The truth is, regular hearing screenings should be part of your routine healthcare. And yes, that includes annual screenings and monthly checks. Let's talk about why hearing loss is rarely sudden. It creeps in slowly until one day you're avoiding conversations, missing out on laughter, or feeling disconnected in a room full of people. This hearing loss can be detected early, and with the right help, it doesn't have to steal those moments from you. An annual screening is like a checkup for your ears. It helps catch even the earliest signs before your brain starts struggling to fill in the gaps. Now, if you're already using hearing aids, are exposed to high noise levels at work or in daily life, monthly screenings are even more important. They make sure your hearing aids are adjusted, your ear health is in check, and nothing is slipping through the cracks. A lot of people avoid hearing tests because they think they are complex. They are not. Here's what happens in a hearing test. You're seated in a quiet space, listen to some tones, and respond when you hear them. And that's it. It's painless and in just minutes. You get answers. You could have impeccable hearing for the next 5 years. So why ignore it? A 5-minute test can save you from years of missed moments, strained relationships, and silent suffering. Visit hearzap.com or download the Hearzap app to book your free hearing screening today. Because protecting your hearing doesn't take time, but losing it does. Take that one step. I will see you in the next video.